Okay, I don't know, like round 8 or 9, 24th day of January, 2025. The boat show. Downtown here, Minneapolis. 20 bucks to park, 15 bucks to get in. It's more a party bar, just Starcrafts. You can see a lot of these just different layouts.
They called
77,000. Oh my goodness. Very nice. This is a bar. You can sit down here. I'd be afraid to fall off. Oh. How's business?
Steady.
Good. I figured I'd come today to do the video and then we don't have a bunch of people around, you know?
Yeah. Yep.
I asked a question. This is without the trailer, right? 68,000 without the trailer?
Without a trailer, yeah.
Well, how much would be a trailer cost to put on it? What do you think?
Typically, they're about $5,500.
Okay.
Or about.
That's what I thought. One guy got all bitter about it. I would have two prices. I would have with trailer extra just to have it on there so people know. It's all with, you know, I get it. Anyways, have a good day, man. Goodness. What's happening? Look at that, huh? Can I sit down right here? Oh. Kind of. It's a lot of work walking around doing this stuff. But getting towards the end here, maybe one more video and take some pictures of my adventures at the boat show. So let's move on. Oh. Get into here. More boats over here. More party barges. Hello.
How you doing?
Good. What's going on?
Good.
Oh my goodness, the big dog here. How much this one with a boat with the trailer?
That's priced without the trailer, so
What's the whole thing?
yeah, we could work out a trailer. I mean,
I hope so.
yeah, oh yeah.
Well, it's like me selling you a car through engine. One guy got all bitter. If I'm pricing this out, if I'm in this business, I have the boat on the side for the same so people know.
right.
That's
Yeah.
told one guy got all bitter. Just call it a pig in a poke. That's all I'm telling. Oh, that's all I'm saying. Manitoba is kind of nice. Not cheap. Nice. I like it. There's no one over there. These are the Manitoba ones. Very nice. So they made in Canada or what?
Nope.
Were they made?
Indiana.
Okay. Where all the RVs are made.
Yeah.
Which a lot of RVs are cheap. I don't want to get in that whole behavior.
I think anything like that is made in Indiana.
Yeah, I know. All right. Another big one, Manitoba. So, yeah, everything. Those RVs are cheap. Kind of the same layout of the other one. I kind of like. I like the color scheme. Not ugly. I mean, it's party bar central here, man. Very nice. All right, we'll go on down here. Go over here and look at some stuff. Over here. Look at that red. Goodness. Nice. More Manitoba, 150,000. Jesus. Holy balls, the size of basketballs. That's a lot of money. Let's go on the red one over here, shall we?
RD-8. That's the parent company. Yeah, so it's an Australian.
260 grand for this pig. Ooh. I could sit in this one. Sit right here. Drink a cold beverage. Out in Florida somewhere. Hanging out. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Whoa, there's a big one up here. Look at this bad boy. On not a pontoon. You mean a party barge? Big dog, huh? What's this thing go for?
This one's 175.
Oh my god, I'm not a pontoon, I'm not a party barge.
It's a wakeboard boat hull with a pontoon top.
This is kind of the one that you bring to a marine, right? More or less.
No, it's a.
Can you haul it?
Yeah, you can haul it.
So what's the boat running without the trailer? What is it without the trailer?
7,000.
How much?
7,000.
7 with the trailer?
Without.
Okay.
So with trailer, you're calling 8,800.
Okay, perfect. Like it. Heck yeah. Very nice. Big dog. Whew. Step down. Kill yourself, man, coming down here. As you can tell, it's called broken neck right here. We don't want to do that, do we? Oh, bad my knees right there. Anyways, we'll cruise on over here. There's a lot of dog and pony shows here. But, at least there's no music playing too much. It's a big one right here. 110,000. Jesus. Nice. It's nice, but I'm not paying for that. 7 years. This one's 90 grand. Whole 9 yards. Nice. With trailer. So that's the whole thing. Perfect. Probably it's a custom made trailer. Ooh, baby. Yeah. I like it. It's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, these are their two newest models.
Yeah.
They did a nice job.
They're nice. I like that you have the price of the trailer too as well. Everything's all together. Some people, a couple got mad at me. I said, you should have, if you're going to sell trailers, if you're going to sell boats, you have to have a separate, also with trailer is how much. So two prices. It's a pig and a pole. You have to have that. In my mind, you're selling it.
I agree.
It's like here's a car, but oh, by the way, no extra for your engine. if I'm selling stuff, party barges with trailer, both, so people know.
I agree.
Guy got all bad at me, but I don't care. No, that's kind of nice. So we're gonna cruise over to here. Over here is that you have the boat club, where they can you can rent a boat, lease a boat, whatever you want to do. Your boat club, which is wasted good stuff and is expensive. I'd rather just invest my money in my own boat. So, and some more party barges over here, ladies and gentlemen. Get on up here. Let's get up on it. A lot of party barges. These are like more open ones. These are Bentley. Too bad it doesn't say how much. Must be free. I don't know, it doesn't say. What do you say?
Yeah, you're gonna have maybe an issue here that I can't say. But you know what I mean.
Kind of nice. Again, you got couches back here. Very nice. Boat World. That's more wide open. Bad. That ugly. Interesting. I went ugly color. But I'm sorry, but nothing that special. We'll get over here. They got some other boats over here. Like one more video we'll have here for you guys. So we'll check out some of the fishing boats here. So more party barges than anything else. Work our way over there. We'll end this adventure. All right. So anyways, let's end it right here. All right.